Hey guys, so this is clips from my live stream I did a couple days ago. I was live on Twitch. I was playing Sons of the Force with some friends. And so yeah, we just decided to live stream it. If you guys don't hear me, the reason being is because I didn't notice I have my microphone muted for the first like 30 minutes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
I don't know,
Oh.
I'm just... nah,
Oh my gosh, I see you guys.
you just got King Oysters. I don't know how I got that. Nah, I think that guy died.
Oh, the pilot
I
really
think
just
that was
fell,
this
bro?
guy.
What a way to go out, bro. What a freaking... I made another campfire. I didn't know, I was just pressing buttons. Yeah.
Should I just... Actually, I might need to take some pills. My fucking health is like...
Pop a perk.
Why? But you too.
A shadow. Oh, footprints.
But
Yo.
footprints? I feel like a lot of other games have that.
Surprising, my
Alright.
pieces are half, but...
Should I just book it to the buoy?
Did a boy.
Or can I build a rat? Wait, what's the fucking bee?
Why?
Utility. Birdhouse, scarecrow. I don't know if there is one. There's traps, gardening, utility, storage, furniture. Just tree shelters. I don't think there is a raft actually. Yeah. Yeah, you can put... Oh, in this game? I don't know if I want to go kill that fucking big ass shark. Should I just risk it? Just go out there? We're gonna build right here, right? Okay. The shark's not gonna one-hit me, right? What happens if I die in the water? Like, can I get rest?
Kelvin, you're gonna set the whole log on fire! Kelvin. That's what I did, I'm just saying. No. I made a fire.
Let me on the raft.
I made another fire. No, I only made two. How do you add more sticks to your fire?
It'll do everything over here. What just jumped up out of...
Because you have 4 sticks, I only have 2. And yours are like in a little like...
Oh, the shark
Yeah.
is jumping out of the
okay.
water. That is terrifying. The shark's jumping out of the water.
Really?
What is this? Pistol rail. Oh, I put a pistol rail on my pistol. Alright. There's so many trees around. What is... I'm terrified to leave this boat now.
I need rope.
Alright, I need to wait till he gets to the other side of this fucking buoy and I'm just
How do
booking
you
it, I
make
guess.
rope?
That's a big ass shark
You
too.
need what? Cloth? How do I make cloth? Oh my gosh.
Don't fucking kill me, don't fucking kill me, please. I'm not turning around, I'm just bugging it.
How do you like build?
At the elevator. So where the fuck are my turtle shells that I just got? What do I do with this shit?
I can't read fucking
I don't know
shit.
what to do with this shell. Alright, do we have a fire going? Around Rafi's little hut thing?
I made a ramp!
I mean, it's probably more of a little storage area. I don't know what this is.
Yo,
We're here to rescue people. Who did that shit?
Fuck.
yo, relax!
It's
Yo,
fine.
relax!
Just build it again. Like, just build it. It's not that hard.
Rafi, get in bed.
Damn.
Like,
You're really
bro.
assertive.
I didn't even know you could throw logs.
I'm going back to sleep.
Hold on.
Nope,
no,
nope,
yeah.
nope.
I slept through.
Why did they hire old men is my question. Nick, you coming?
Oh shit.
Like, out of all people they could have hired, they decided to hire very old
Just 3 old dudes. It's
Nope.
nighttime. Fuck that.
They decided to hire 3 elderly men.
Oh wait, no. We probably shouldn't sleep because then we don't get anything done, and then we have to eat more food.
Alright.
We should at least just build some shit, probably.
Nick, you just gave me an idea.
What?
Never mind, I can't do it.
Place this over here. Oh wow.
Anybody has cloth?
No.
Nick?
Don't think so. Oh wait, that's good. They can kind of crawl through there. That might not be good, actually. Why is there a log on top?
Oh, you might want to move, by the way, from there, Nick. Do any of you guys have food you could cook, please?
What?
I got cannibals.
It's fine.
Food!
No, I'm just hunting fish. It's not that hard.
I'm coming for you, Vic.
What up,
Oh.
bitch?
What's
Where
up,
are you?
Dylan?
Oh, you try to do that. Oh, you thought he was slick.
Dude, there's so many logs over here. Fucking Kelvin, bro. All the logs. Wait, why is he picking up the logs from inside the base just to throw them outside?
That's what I'm saying.
He took.
He's just throwing them outside the base.
I'm coming.
I just got bonked.
Trying to get my spear.
We need to reprogram Kelvin, bro. He's
I'm not gonna lie, a restart would seem nice.
restart the whole. There's no shot you want to do that.
Bro, you know how far we are from food and water?
Too bad.
Food? What do you mean? There's fish everywhere. Just go get some fish.
Can you guys like?
Yo, I'm low-key hungry. Wait, where'd you find the fish?
You're dead?
Yeah.
Yo, there's a cannibal. Is that the guy who you were fighting?
If he has a spear
You
lodged
gotta-
in his head, then
Yeah, I was about to say he has a spear lodged in his head.
that was me.
Wait, Nick, where do you find fish?
Bring your spear and just go in the water. You'll see him swimming. You just stab him.
So I'm
I
assuming
don't think I
you're
got the
just not gonna
graphics setting for
revive me.
this.
How the fuck did you die?
Again, there were two cannibals. I enlarged my spear in one of their heads.
Is there a time limit? Can I finish cooking this food real quick? You want to go actually like explore and do shit?
That's what I was about to say. Hold on, let me finish building this one window.
I'm your friend. I got another
Oh, actually-
cannibal on me.
Can I? Alright.
Are you okay?
He's climbing the trees, so me and him are friendly. Right?
I don't think that's how it
Hey,
works.
hey. No, like, why would you scream? Oh my! Can you guys revive me?
Alright.
He like one-shotted me.
Oh, fuck.
Do cannibals have different strengths?
It's stupid.
Yo, I'm tired.
That's
I
nice.
can't
I'm
run.
dead.
Alright, skill issue, bro. Get good.
You know what, Rafi?
Nick, what'd you slide down?
I
I
already
was
respawned.
slipping. I don't know what was it. You respawned?
I'm like Amazon Prime, bro, with logs. You ordered a log, we got you. Same day shipping. Logs, Fallout, they come
Amazon
so
Prime.
fast.
You got Amazon Prime. You got Twitch Prime. Fucking subscribe to me, bro. What do you mean?
That's a great promotion.
Speaking of Prime,
If you have Amazon Prime, you just link your
No.
Twitch account and you can just
Yeah.
give me your money. Then
free subscription.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm not gonna lie. That motivated me to encourage you guys to give me a Twitch Prime.
How do you use it on someone else?
Twitch Prime?
I think you need Amazon Prime for that.
My free subscription.
Yo, Rafi, you don't
Yeah.
fucking know Nick, bro.
I mean, you can't give it to Brendan. You can't. Not Brendan. You can't give it to Vic. See,
Why?
you're not affiliate.
Oh
be
my
affiliated to get
God.
subscriptions. You can give it to me though.
I gave it to I'm Dante.
What? Why?
It's awesome. Oh, I know who you're talking about. The guy who does Resident Evil shit.
I mean, I know who you're talking about, but like, why?
Cause he's a
Give me
funny
the-
ass dude.
Give me the free money. Am I not funny, man? What I do to you?
I didn't even know you back then.
Your life is
What
funny.
do you mean back then? What about now?
He do got a point.
Who's he? Me?
Nick,
Damn.
are you talking about I'm Dante Ravioli or no?
No, I'm Dante.
Ravioli. No, I'm not. Yeah.
You never heard of I'm Dante?
No.
I'm shocked that Nick has heard of I'm Dante.
I hear footsteps.
Wait, there's a guy in. Sleep.
There's a guy in our
Sleep.
place.
Sleep
Oh my
immediately.
God,
He's
Rafi,
in our
get the
place.
fuck
Sleep.
off your
Sleep.
phone,
Sleep
bro.
immediately. Sleep immediately.
Rafi.
Who was in there?
Oh yeah,
Oh,
GG.
oh, there. There's another one. Another one.
I'm gone.
Yeah.
Yo! Get him! Let him get up!
Yo.
Let him get up!
Did he run?
What?
He's knocking down our shit. Oh,
Let him get up.
yes.
Let him get up.
Fight back. Okay, this window sucks. They just jumped through it. So,
Wait, is that how they got in?
well, also this wall isn't fully built up.
Maybe
But
that's
I
how.
saw him jump through this fucking window.
How when we can't?
Alright, so can we go now?
I thought we were gonna burn the bodies.
Oh no, I can jump through this window.
Yeah, let's go.
Just
I need to just eat. I need to eat my food real quick.
You could jump through this window?
yeah. There's another one.
Yeah, you just have to crouch.
Guys.
What the heck? They know that mechanics?
Guys.
Get out of the way. Oh,
Oh, there's
I
another
know
one.
you meant like right there.
Let me get up.
Please let me do what I want to do with this guy, please.